Hello traders, we get a signal here and Euro JPY, and according our rules we are taking 5 minutes expiry because the price was in oversold zone. Just a second please, just a second. Sorry, I was having a phone call. So this is Binary Gamma S, Binary Gamma Turbo version 5, new version. I will explain what is the difference between previous version and the new. Also we get signal here at the beginning of this candle opening, and we get signal here. So what are the differences between previous version and the second version? Previous version, as you know, maybe if you watched my previous videos, had the support and resistance lines on the chart. Now you do not have it. Now I include in settings, it is built in indicator settings, in arrow settings, the resistance and support lines are here. So you do not have to watch out for confirmation with support and resistance. All this is built into this arrow. Only what you have to do, wait for an arrow and only check if the price action indicator is in overbought or here in oversold zone, and take 5 minutes expiry. So this is totally new settings of these arrows. Second difference is that now you can use this indicator with all time frames, from 5 minutes time frame up, 15, 30 minutes and or 1 minute. I will not advise to use because you do not have enough time to jump to a broker to take a trade, and you lose 10 to 15 seconds minimum, and then you can lose trade because of that. So this is two main differences. Here this would be in the money, Euro USD, you see, and this one still, yes, it's becoming, reversal is becoming to go up. As I said, you can use it on 15 minutes too. You see, the same system, same rules, one candle expiry and wait for the confirmation like here, and that's it. So this indicator gives you 80% chances to win trade. So it is not holy grail. You still can lose 20% trades or more if you are not following the rules. You have 80% chances, and all other is up to you to follow the rules exactly as I explained, and do not trade during the news time, at least 20 minutes before and 20 minutes after. So let's see, this is in the money, I hope. If not, nothing will happen. You must lose some trade, but in average of 10 taken trades you will win 8, and it is really enough. I trade 10 trades maximum per day, and it is really enough to earn decent profit per day. So I hope it will be in the money. More few seconds. 2, 1, 0, and we are in the money. Very good. Let's see other trade we had taken. Yes, both are finished in the money. And at the end I must say that there is a very big interest for this new version, and now I have so many customers which have bought this system, and I hardly can reply to everybody in the mails, and I want to have good support, to be available at least 16 hours per day for everybody. So I will keep, because of that, I will keep selling this indicator this week at the price you know. But from the 1st of May, I do not want to have so many new customers, because I'm alone and I want to reply to everybody at the same day to help. So the price will go up, and if you want to get this indicator at the old price until the 1st of May, it is available at the normal price until now we had. So guys, I hope you have been satisfied with this video and with this indicator. For more info, you can contact me on my mail below. Bye bye.